What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We're doing a 2014 Chevy Captiva Sport. And this will go for 2012 through 2015. Should all be the same. We're going to show you how to take this radio out. First thing you want to do is come up here to the top and use some type of flat profile. And then I'll take my panel remover. You want to get up under there. And we're going to start to pop those out. See if I can't just use my hand now. It's kind of hard to record and do it at the same time. Boom. Come on. There we go. Get one more about it now. All right. Now we want to I don't know if I should disconnect that or not. Don't think I need to, but let's take those two out. Phillips. All right, so now that we got those two out, I'm just using a little bit of pressure right here. Small tugs, small tugs. Use my panel removal. Gotta be a little careful with this one because you don't want to dent that dash up. See if we can get anything else. This is the only reason I don't like trying to record and do this with one hand. I gotta use two hands, guys. Hold on. All right, so yeah, I had to use two hands. I basically just had one hand right here at the top, and then I had another one on the side pulling away from the panel. I wish I could have showed you guys the whole thing, but it's only held in by clips. Don't be afraid to get down with it. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't break it for the sake of not breaking it. So yeah, something different in the Chevy that I'm seeing now is that it's not actually held in with 7 mil. But the radio is held in with 4 10 mil bolts, so we're going to take those 4 out. Alright. Then when we got those 4 out, should be just to slide that thing up out of there. 2 harnesses in the back. Alright, y'all, so we got that out. All the harnesses right here, just to USB retention, antenna adapter. I have all that stuff, all those links in the description. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this radio together, wire it up, and let's see what it looks like when we get all done. What's up, y'all, man? Sorry I didn't actually show you exactly how to wire this up, but if you guys want to know how to wire up a radio, I'm going to hit that card over there in the corner because I go over what each individual wire does and how to install it. Also, different ways to strip wires, tapping the wires, all those how-to playlists, so check that out for more information. Don't mind the mess. It is not clean yet because I have to test everything, make sure everything works how it's supposed to, and then I'll clean it up. Don't forget that all the links will be in the description if you want to do this thing yourself. And let's go ahead and hook everything up and see what it looks like. All right, y'all, so that's about it, man. That's what it looks like. I hope you guys found some type of value in this video. If you have, don't forget to hit that like button, share with all the rest of you Chevy Captiva users. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Let me know what cars you want to see, and I'll catch you guys at the next car. Peace.